In verdant pastures, He gave me repose. Beside restful waters, He leads me. He refreshes my soul. The Lord is my shepherd. There is nothing I shall want. He guides me in the right paths, for His name's sake. Even though I walk in the dark valley, I fear no evil, for you are at my side, with your rod and your staff that give me courage. The Lord is my shepherd, there is nothing I shall want. You spread the table before me in the sight of my foes. You anoint my head with oil, my cup overflows. The Lord is my shepherd, there is nothing I shall want. Only goodness and kindness follow me all the days of my life, and I shall dwell in the house of the Lord for years to come.